Hi everyone and welcome to this beginner tutorial on Odoo EPR. If you are new to Odoo or just curious about how it works, you have come to the right place. Odoo is a powerful open source enterprise resources planning system that helps businesses manage everything from sales to inventory to accounting and HR all in one platform. Whether you're running a smaller business or scaling up, Odoo offers modular solution tailored to your needs. In this video, we will walk through every step of setting up and using Odoo EPR, including its key modules and features. Let's dive in. The first step is creating an Odoo account. Head over to odoo.com as I am right now and click on Try it free in the middle or on the top right side corner, wherever you can click up. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Here you can see. Oh, so here it is asking me to choose your apps. But as you can see here, the EPR and some of the different features is not shown here. Now what to do, how I can create my account. So what you have to do on the top right side corner, just go and click on sign in. Here you will see this option, don't have an account. Click on it. Now automatically here it will ask you to enter your email. So I will enter my email here. And then you have to enter your name, password, click on verify you are human and click on sign up. Now once you have made your account, this is how it looks. And this is, by the way, it's a completely free version. The dashboard is a central hub for managing all aspects of your business. From here you can access app, configure settings and view real-time data. Here you can see these are the application which you can get it. If you are testing Odoo, you can opt out free trial version just like me. And if you want to buy it after watching this video, you can buy from the link given in the description. You will get a heavy discount from it. This is a perfect link because this is a affiliate link. I will get a commission as well as you will get a discount. So it's a win-win for both of us. It's completely up to you. You can also go directly to the website and you can buy it. This is it. Now let's move back to the video. Once you have signed up, log in into your account and navigate to the Odoo dashboard. Here we are as I'm showing you over the screen. Odoo operates on a modular system, meaning you can install only the app you need. To get started, click on this app section. Here we are. Module from the dashboard. Search for the apps like sales and inventory, accounting, CRM, HR, depending on your business's need. You can see here accounting, invoicing, CRM, sales, rental, website builder, e-commerce, blog, inventory, and there's a lot of options. Now let's say I want this CRM app. So I will just go and click on CRM here and click on start now as a free. It will just take a few seconds. I have to get the access. You can see here Odoo CRM. I have to enter all the details. So once you have entered all the details, just go and click on start now. So here let me just fill up this information. Now here it says welcome to Odoo. You can always add more apps later. For example, you also want for example, e-commerce, a website builder. You can always add it, right? And this is a way to install it. You can always go to the app section and here from you can install it. For example, let's say that I want this CRM, so I'll just go to the CRM section. I'll search for it, right? And here it's already installed, by the way, which I shown you. But if you just go to the dashboard section, let's say I just want to install sales, here we'll just click on install. You can test this feature during 15 days period. After this period, your database will be logged until used by the Odoo subscription. Okay, that's fine. Here we will just go and click on install. It will just take a few seconds. By the way, it's not installing on your computer system or laptop or PC. It getting installed on Odoo database, Odoo cloud, whatever feature they have. Here you can see it got installed, and here we have, so here's sales and CRM, this both application we installed, right? I can go to the apps and I can install more. This flexibility makes Odoo scalable and cost effective. Before diving into a specific module, let's configure your company's settings. Go to the setting option. So here where I can see the setting option, this is my profile icon and this is the install the module. And let's go back here. So I'll just go back, right? And here you can see there's a lot more options. Let's go to the setting here first of all. And here you can invite new user. For example, this is a general setting. You can add languages, you can change your name, update the info about this, whether you're managing one company or more than one, you can change it. You can change the color. For example, this is a burnt color. You can always, oh, this is extra customization thing. And here also we have a template, so you can just go and choose templates for different stuff here, right? And there's a lot more features you need to measure depending upon your country location. You can, or depending upon your convenience, you can change it. This is an email section, this is an alias, so this is how it's look, right? I want to go for more, so I think I have to buy it. Now let me just search more here. Okay, so I think I can change this up, but after buying the subscription, they will remove the Odoo in the alias domain here. And this is a discuss part where this is a little bit complicated. So if you don't know, never trust it, right? This is the contact section, the permissions. When you give the permissions of your account, of your Odoo account to your employees or some of the managers, you can always just go and change it from here. On the left side, you can see a lot more options, CRM, sales, and calendars. You can change settings for each. For example, I want to go and change for the sales here. I can just go and change it. So by the way, if you just keep using it, keep using daily, automatically you will come to know about a lot of features. You can also set up your fiscal year, tax rules, default account if you're using the accounting module. This configuration ensures that Odoo aligns with the business requirement. Taking time to configure these settings upfront will save your headache down, and this is obviously the good one. Now let's go back here. So on the top left side corner, I can just go back. Taking time to configure these settings upfront will save your headaches, and that's what I told you. Now let's start with the CRM model. So module, this is where you manage leads. So we have already installed the CRM, and this will manage your leads, opportunities, and customer interaction. To add a new customer, just go to the contact section. So you can just go and click on new. Now here, this is a contact section. So I will just write here a contact. I will create a name here, right? And completely it's up to you how you can create it. It also gives the information depending upon this person name, right? So for example, I can just start typing. So let's I will just add here on and draw an opportunity, right? You can just enter it here. You can enter the name, email, phone number, and add other relevant details. You can categorize contact as an individual or a company and assign tags for better organization. So Odoo CRM tool help you track the entire sales funnel from lead generation to closing a deal. This is what here expected revenue and everything, right? So this is really nice. So for example, I will just add here nothing. I'll just go and click on add. So here on opportunities around 3, I can just put as a star here and drag and drop opportunities. So let's say it got qualified, and once I that was a card basically. If you don't know, if you click on it, you can add more information, description, extra information. You can always change this up. And if it goes to the qualified section, proposition, you can change this section. Right here you can see this is activity panel, so where you can check this out. There's a log node, so you can tag your team, you can give them instruction. This is activity section. This is in the to-do list. So right now I'm in the meetings. I will put this section in a meeting, and I can just go and schedule and mark as a done and schedule next, cancel. So depending upon your preferences, you can do all the changes, right? So this is the best thing. Now let's move to the sales module. Now here we have already installed, so we'll just go to the sales here. Now same thing, you can just go and click on create and select the customer you want to sell to. So here I will just add here customers. I just want to sell this to Anil, and I will add the GST treatment depending upon your country taxes. You can select here. So this is just a, let's say I will select here register business, right? Although it's not a business, I've entered a name. So here I can enter the company name, expiration date, right, payment terms, whether it's immediate, whether it's after 15 days, 45 days, end of the following, right? Whether it is on credit or not, the product at section, right? You can add the quantity, what product you have sold to them, what service you have sold to them. This is optional product, other information, right? And then once you have did this, obviously you can just go and save it. And if it is confirmed, so I can send it by email, right? I can preview how it is going to look. So this is how it's going to look. If something went wrong, if you really share the report. I think there was an issue in some of the, although it's fine right now. So this is how it looks. I can just go back to the edit mode here. I can edit this up, and I can edit the bill number 2. So that's a really interesting. And once the order is ready, confirm, it will generate an invoice if you're using an inventory module, or it will automatically update stocks level based on the sales. The seamless integration between module ensures accuracy and reduce manual work. The inventory module, now I haven't installed inventory, so I just need to go back and go to the app section, and I will search for inventory, search for it. I'll just go and click on install. click on confirm. So here we are. So once I have installed the inventory module, you can see here, I also got install barcode, right? So let's go to the inventory, because as you know, just for the SKUs number or GS1 numbers, we need barcode readers. The inventory module help you to track stocks, levels, manage warehouse, and handle deliveries. To add a product, you can always add it up. This is a receipt, this is a delivery order. So let's go and click on open receipt. So no receipt yet to create one. So you can always just go and click on create on the top left side corner. You can create this. I've already shown on the other part of the section. This is a delivery option. You can also just go and click on whatever the products we just got delivered. You can define its name, price, categories. You can also set reorder points to receive alerts when the stock is at the low. Use the transfer features to move products between location or ship them to the customers. With Odoo Inventory Management, you will always know what is in the stock and where it's located. And before ordering some of the before fulfilling your orders or before fulfilling your warehouse or inventory, you will come to know just from by looking at the data. So with Odoo Inventory Management, you will always know what is in stock and where it's located. The accounting module simplifies financials. Let's go to the accounting here. Management by automating invoicing, payments, and reporting. You can see here, I live in India, so this is showing me all the Indian banks. I can just go and add it more. I can put in more banks here, right? As well as there is some of the UPI search over 26,000 banks. So it's not just like I cannot access the international banks or the banks which is only located on USA. I can also just go and locate from there. So the accounting module simplifies, which I told you, to record an expense, go to the vendor bills, right? So here you can just go to the vendor section, you can go to the bill section on the top menu bar, you can drag and drop, you can also create a bill manually, here you can see, right? And if you have already created it, then you can just drag and drop. To record an expense, you have to go to the vendor bill section and create a new entry. Attach receipts category as expenses, reconcile bank statement directly within the app. You can also generate financial reports like profit and loss statements or balance sheet. This tools gives you a clear picture of your financial health and help you stay compliant with regulation. And that's it. You know everything how to use Odoo EPR step by step, from setting up your account and installing apps to managing them. Whether it's managing customer, sales, inventory, and accounting, Odoo is a versatile platform that grows with your business, offering endless possibilities for customization and integration. Whether you're handling day-to-day operation or planning for the future, Odoo has everything you need to succeed. If you found this video, make sure to like this video, and there's a link given in the description. Please use that link to buy the Odoo subscription. If you do, it will be great for both of us. Thanks for watching. Happy subscribe.